Okay, just so this is making retainers at Maloney Dental, the Essix retainers. This is a model that I've taken and poured from an alginate impression. We'll first of all trim the base a little bit. Let's get rid of some of this excess material. Got to be careful not to cut the teeth. Okay, so that's pretty good. I just run around and make sure that there are not many bubbles in the gingival margin with a Lacron carver. Like this. I've already done this one a little bit, but there's still a few bubbles there. I'll just turn this machine off so there's not so much noise in the background. Okay, this is actually a staff training video, but anybody watching this on YouTube, you're welcome to keep watching. You might find it interesting. A little bit more trimming to do just there. Sometimes I would just use a plaster trimming tool just to get rid of excess. Okay, so that's ready to go. So we come over here, and this is our mini star machine that we purchased, and we just basically put it down on that section. We're using Zenduro blanks, and we select 35 seconds of heating cycle. Here's the Zenduro blank. They come individually packed, so you've got to open these up, but don't open them up too early. Open them up as you need them, because they do absorb moisture and can go bubbly. So here's a little one of those gel packs inside to take the moisture away. So we undo that locking rim, we pop this down. I use the matte side facing up, and we swing the heating element across. Now, as you can see, the machine starts to count down, and it goes through this counting down process until it gets to 35, and then once that's done, it takes a little while, so we're not going to wait here this entire time. I've already prepared another one. This is how it comes out of the machine, like this. So once it comes out like that, we remove it from the machine and we take it across to our trimming station. So you can hear the machine is now beeping. It's giving us a 5-second warning. So we close it like that, and then we come over here. So once that comes out of the machine, we come to this stage of trimming, and basically turn that up a little bit. I use this lab hand piece and I trim just below the crown level, gingival level, all the way around. Now, if you're watching at home, don't try and do this without some experience, because it's very dangerous on your fingers. And do wear eye protection in case these little hot bits of Zenduro material flick up onto your eyes. Okay, that thing has now finished its cooling cycle, because I heard a beeping. I'll take you over there and I'll show you what it looks like. Finish the cooling cycle, so it's pretty simple. You just open it up like that, and there we have a nice suck down. These pressure forming machines are really good. So we'll just finish off with this one here. So I've trimmed that almost all the way around now. So make sure it's all cut nicely. Next thing I do is I take the blank off. Sometimes they're a little bit difficult. When they're a bit difficult, this is what I do. I just cut the the excess material away, and see it comes away quite nicely. And then you just peel it off like so. The teeth usually break. Okay, so that's pretty good. I use these little rubber cups from Burke Dental, rubber polishing brushes. They work really well, or mops they are, sorry. They work very well. This one's been used a bit. They're an abrasive, and what they do is they take off these little bits here. That makes the edges of the tray smooth. I'm going to turn that water off. Makes the edges of the tray smooth so that you don't feel these little lumpy bits. That's right, don't worry about it. Against your teeth, against your gums, or your tongue. Once that's done, I normally just go around with my finger, like so. There we are, see? Felt that straight away. Just go around with my finger and make sure it's all nice and smooth, which it is. And then we give that a rinse, and we stick it in one of these containers. Now I'm a pretty traditional bloke, so blooper boys, there you go. This belongs to a young man. There it goes, and it's ready to go. That's the end of our Essix retainer video.